everyone. My name is Lisa. I'm principal at Schuler School, which is a small rural school in southeastern Alberta. We have about 75 students, K to 9. We had Frisbee Rob out today, and he did an assembly for our whole school community along with some parents. The kids loved it, so did the parents. We loved it because of the messages Rob gives during the presentation, not just the phenomenal Frisbee skills, but talking to us about things that we can actually apply every day here at school. The idea of resilience and perseverance and growth mindset, and reminding yourself to always try your best and having a positive outlook on whatever it is you're doing and whatever sport you're doing. With COVID, we weren't really able to have anybody in our school, and so the idea that we could have someone in not only to talk to our kids, but then engage in our phys ed classes for the afternoon and show us some activities that were transferable over many sports was absolutely phenomenal, and we would have him back again anytime.